Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Misty at Skeeter Jones, and in this video I'll be showing you an unboxing of a ThredUp 15-piece mixed jewelry rescue box. I am a part-time reseller on eBay, and it might be a while before I get any of these things listed, so if you're interested in anything from this lot before it gets listed, you can contact me and we can work something out to sell it to you directly. Let's get into it. I did already cut the tape, but I have not taken a peek yet. So let's give it a look. Okay, right off the top is one of these gift card, not a gift card. You have to be a first-time buyer, never have bought anything from ThredUp before in order to be able to use this, but it is a, it's a $25 basically discount. So anyone who or the first person to contact me in the comments can have that. We'll work something out. And let's see, we get an invoice. Oh, this, yeah, I did look before I marked everything out. This is from Swanee. Ordered this November 6th. So let's get to it. I paid for this, and I know I did not get it on a discount. Let's see the ThredUp price, and once shipping gets added to that and tax and everything, I end up paying, I think, around $65. The per piece price works out usually to around, I think, $4.80 or something like that. And you saw the air pillows. That is typical of Swanee, and I can already see, you can't see from that angle, but they use these little bags in their packaging to help protect the pieces. So let's dump all of these out. And see what we get. They're kind of stuck together. There we go. Okay, we'll reuse that tissue. All right, I think I see a Kendra Scott bag. Oh yes, I do. Can I see that a little bit? There's some new on the card items, something in a pink bag. That looks like a ladybug, maybe a J. Crew bag. Is that jade? Maybe we have some jade there. Let's see. Well, let's get right to it. Let's see what's in the Kendra Scott bag. Okay. I got one of these in my Swanee versus Phoenix video, a bracelet shaped like this that came in a little vinyl pouch, and it was just in rough shape. It was from the Phoenix location, I think. Let's see what these are. Oh, those are pretty. It's a bangle set. I wonder if these are going to count as two or as one piece, because it does look like they go together. A pretty clamper. It's nice and delicate looking, and it's part of a set, I think, and that looks really nice. That would look really nice to wear to New Year's or to a Christmas dinner or something like that. Let's see if someone gets credit for this. I do see some kind of mark there. What is that? I can't really tell what that is. Let's take a closer look off camera. Okay, what that is, if you can see it at all, on the left side, there's two little things there, and the one on the left is just a little crystal, a little stone. And then the other one is a circle with a letter N, and and I really do not know what that mark is. I would be grateful if someone who knows what that is could share with me. And the same mark is here. This really looks like a set, and I hope they're going to treat it as one item. We'll do a count at the end. And I realize I say that a lot, and then I always forget to go back and do the count. So I'll try to remember it this time. But that is a nice looking set right there. Let me plug in my Presidium. I don't think we're looking at any sort of precious metals or gems, just because there's no mark saying so. It does happen occasionally that something won't be marked for precious metal or for a gemstone, and it does have that, but more often than not it will indicate. Alright, Presidium has to warm up for just a minute, so while we're waiting for that, we'll put these aside and take a look at this. Okay, someone gets credit for this. Oh, that looks terrible. Oh, I think that says Stella and Dot upside down. Yep, that's Stella and Dot, I believe. Yes, it is. Okay. So nice little fashion bracelet. Faux pearl. That's really pretty. Okay. I don't have, I really don't know what to charge for these, so if anyone is interested in these and you contact me for a direct sale, it'll be according to what it comps for on eBay, and then if you're a subscriber, I will discount that price a little bit off of the eBay comps. This is the Kendra Scott piece, and it's going to be a bracelet, it feels like. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is a stunner. We'll want to know what kind of stone that is. A quartz of some sort, probably. That is gorgeous. Look at that. A very, very statement-y piece. Let's see, this one, I would call it a 7.5. Or actually, I would call it more like a 7.25. I'm going to test that stone for sure. These clampers, I didn't find a size on those. About a 7.25 on those as well. 7 to 7.25. And the Stella and Dot faux pearl cuff. That one is going to be a little smaller. It's about a 6.5, but it can adjust at least somewhat. Okay, Presidium is warmed up, so I am very curious about these little stones. They're probably glass. It's hard to keep that. Oh, when it screams at you like that, it's because it's touching metal. Oh. Okay, one more. That can get really annoying. Oh, Okay, that I'm just going to call either a crystal or a glass rhinestone. I will spare you all the loud buzzing of the Presidium, and I'll check that more off camera. If you're interested, you can just contact me to inquire about that, to see maybe what the results off camera ended up being. Let's find out about this. Okay, this Kendra Scott goes up into the quartz amethyst citrine, tanzanite aquamarine. It's probably a quartz if I had to guess. And it looks like I do have to guess. Yeah, the more kind of translucent side doesn't go as high into the quartz bar, but the more milky side does. I have found that when you have kind of a variegated stone, you should test the different colors that are in it, because they can, stones like this will have different mineral composition throughout the stone. Okay, so this is a quartz, and that is absolutely gorgeous, and it's huge. This is about 2.5 inches long, about 3/4 of an inch wide, somewhat adjustable because of the way the cuff is made here. And it has a beautiful cut on it, and again, that is how it looks on. It's loose on me, but you know, as you can see, as we mentioned, it would be a little bit adjustable. Okay, nice piece. I can't wait to look that one up. I might, before I post the video, I might go ahead and find a price and put that on the screen. Okay, great start. I'm really pleased so far. Stella and Dot, and then these nice clampers and the big Kendra Scott. Let's see what's in the next bag. I hope everybody had a nice Thanksgiving. We always do it twice. We go to my husband's side of the family in the morning, and then we host my side of the family in the evening. Here are some nice earrings that look new. I don't see any sign of wear on them at all. And these would be nice for the holidays. They're like little wreaths or stars. That's really pretty. Just post back. No maker's mark. Actually, you do need to look around the side, because a lot of times there can be a maker's mark around the edge in the setting. Nope, nothing there, so nobody gets credit for those. So I'll have to research those some, but they're really pretty. Well, just for kicks, since we have the Presidium turned on, let's see if the stone registers as anything. It probably won't, or it would say so on the, it would be marked. No, it just barely moves into the glass range. So that's just some little rhinestone earrings, and they're cute. Here's some Ann Taylor silver tone, gold tone rhinestone. Little curb link chain. Little circles at the bottom, and all of the stones are there, and they're nice and shiny. No dead stones. New with tag. There's no original price listed, so I'll have to research those. I think I will try to just research things and put prices on the video before I upload it. The prices I put on the video will be what I intend to list them for on eBay. So if you want to contact me before I can get it listed on eBay, then I'll work out a deal for you. Okay, these are acrylic, and these are some statement earrings. And the maker is either IH or HI. I think it would be IH since it's right side up this way. I am not familiar with that brand. These do look new. Nice and clean. Yep, these have never been worn. All the stones are there. They're nice and sparkly. This pave setting. The double rings holding these little danglies on. Different shades of green and pink. Let's see, where's my tape measure? There it is. These are about 3 1/4 inch long and about 1 1/4 inch wide. Really, really pretty. I'll have to look those up as well. I'm not familiar with that brand, IH. I don't know how to get those to fit back in their little bag. Okay, I am really pleased with this so far. Swanee usually does not disappoint. Everything from the way they package their pieces to what they send you. I've gotten a few dud pieces now and then from Swanee, but the general rule is if it's from Swanee, it's going to be nicer than from the other locations. Okay, these are pretty. These little gold, very silky tassels with gold tone dangles. Let's see, H&M, original price $13. I will put a price for those on the screen. But those are pretty, and they're really long in statement as well. They're sending me things that are nice and sparkly, that look like they would go well for, you know, holiday parties. So it's good that Swanee was maybe keeping in mind when I would be receiving this. It's kind of hard to get that measurement. It is about 5.5 inches by about 1 inch wide. So from the top here all the way down to the bottom is about 5.5 inches. And those are really, really pretty. These are not jade. They are not heavy enough to be jade. They're the ones we saw earlier through the bubble envelope. But they are a nice faker. They're acrylic. Almost 2 inches long. Yeah, right at 2 inches long. And they're really pretty. A really nice faker. Actually, if you like the look of jade, but you don't like heavy earrings, because real jade this big would be pretty heavy on your ears. So if you like statement earrings and you like jade, but you don't like the weight of a heavy earring, these might be a good choice for you. Here are some heart-shaped, kind of like a bamboo design, heart-shaped hoops that are kind of long as well. These are also about 2 inches. Gold tone, you can just tell by the feel. Let's see if there's some kind of mark right there. No, that's just from the mold, I guess, of however those were made. And there's little tiny stones, like right here. It's kind of hard to tell, but like right here, in between these little bamboo-looking pieces, are these tiny little stones that are probably rhinestone. Well, maybe they're not rhinestone. Let's take a closer look, because it did move up out of the glass range off camera. Let's see what it does when you're looking. Oh, wow. Well, it moves up and comes back down. Let's try one more time on a different stone. So it goes into the garnet, tourmaline, iolite range. So that's interesting. A little bit of a gemstone there in these. I think this is gold tone. It doesn't really feel like gold. And it would definitely be marked if there were this much gold. Could possibly be a vermeil, I guess, but that would probably also be marked. I might do some metal testing on those and see what I find out. Actually, no time like the present. Let's go ahead and give that a try now. Okay. Now the scratch is very coppery. That's not going to be anything to crow about metal-wise. No, it dissolves right away. So, just gold tone, but they are pretty. About 2-inch long heart-shaped hoops. Sort of a bamboo design with some kind of gemstone. And those are cute. Again, those would be nice for a holiday party, I think. Okay, moving right along. Oh, there's that ladybug. We'll give that a look last of all. I've been getting lots of bracelets like this lately with this sort of C design. And there's some kind of mark on here. Oh, it's just Roman numerals. And there's Roman numerals on that side too. Interesting. Let's see what these stones are. Okay, those are just glass. But that's a nice looking bracelet. Doesn't have any wear on it. It's just a gold tone. And it is a size about 6.5, 6 3/4. A little bit adjustable with rhinestones and the Roman numerals around the inside and outside edges of the settings. That's really pretty. Some cute things. What kind of J. Crew piece? Oh, J. Crew Factory is what we have here. I've never gotten a J. Crew Factory piece before. What can you be? Oh, that's pretty. Nice little, again, this would be great at your New Year's party or Christmas party. And it is very versatile with its length here. It has a drop of 7.5 inches to the inside, down to the bottom, about 8 3/4. But then you also have a 3-inch extender. Look how pretty that is. And the stones are all really bright and sparkly. I really don't see any wear. The gold tone looks really nice. And there's your J. Crew mark right there. Gorgeous, gorgeous statement necklace. Ready to be seen at your party. J. Crew Factory. And here's a cute little ladybug. She even has eyes. Let's see, how does that open? Oh, there's a hinge, so over here maybe. A little ring. Is it marked? It doesn't feel like gold. It doesn't really look like gold. It's a little gold tone ring. It is about a 7. A little bit adjustable maybe. I don't know if that's... It doesn't move very much, so probably not adjustable. And that's how it looks from the side. Let's see the width on it. It's about a 1/4 inch wide. And it's got this sort of little dome pillow look to it. And it comes in this cute little ladybug box. And if you buy that, you will get the little ladybug box with it. That's cute. Okay, wrapping up. This is our last pouch. We have some stones, which are very pretty. Oh, wow. Let's see what these are. They are something. Well, it keeps sliding around, so it's hard to get a good reading. There we go. Quartz, some kind of quartz maybe. It's really hard when it slides around like that because then the needle won't stay put. It starts kind of going up and down. Maybe some kind of nephrite or quartz. Some of them are different colors. That's why I'm trying to check to see if maybe we're looking at different stones or just different colors of the same type of stone. Tanzanite, aquamarine, chrysoprase, emerald, nephrite. Those ranges that are really close together, it's kind of hard to determine for me what they are. I'm not as familiar with, what else can look similar. I know peridot will hit the citrine mark. Let's see, what an interesting clasp. I didn't see that till just now. What does that say? This says, oh, it's upside down. Okay, it's a patent number. That's what that is. How does this work? I don't want to break it. Oh, okay. It's like a snap. There's no maker. There's another patent number right there. But no maker's mark. So if anyone knows who makes this little snap closure, that would be good to know. And I'm just going to call this for now a quartz. a quartz bead necklace that, let's see, has a drop of 20 inches. And that's really pretty. These milky veined stones. What do you call that veining? Matrix, I think is what you call that. I know that's what you call it in turquoise. I don't know if you call that veining matrix regardless of the stone, or if you only call it that when you're talking about turquoise and howlite and things like that. But that's really pretty. And this looks like hematite, and it feels like hematite. And are these rice pearls? Yes, those are pearls. So I wonder about these little gold beads. Are they gold tone or are they gold? It'd be really hard to get that down to a stone to test. Let's see. Okay, no, that is not gold. So just gold tone beads, hematite, and rice pearls. Look how pretty that is. And this is not, which I'm supposing it's hematite. I thought hematite was magnetic, but this is not sticking to anything. Like the beads aren't sticking to each other. So it may not be hematite. The drop on this is 15 inches. And very, very pretty. It doesn't look scratchy or very worn. Very nice. Just classic. Classic and pretty. And last but not least, okay, here's something that's apparently new. What is that? This is maybe wood. It's kind of hard to tell. It is cool, but not cold. I don't think it's a stone. It's kind of hard to tell what that is. I need to research that some. But you have these large stations, and these are large. About an inch long and about almost an inch wide. They're different shades of cream, amber color, and brown, with these little seed beads. The clasp is this kind of button type clasp. There's no maker's mark on there. You have two more of the beads, and then it ends with one at the bottom with a little tassel. And I don't see a maker's mark anywhere on here. But look at that. It's these rich, dark brown. And the seed beads are black. Sorry, I sound a little gravelly. The drop on this is about 21 inches. And that's a statement piece. So pretty. Okay, so let's count them all up and see what we got. So 1, 2, 3. Let's take these out of the bag. 4. If I take them out of the bag, it'll make a nicer thumbnail. 5. I wonder, we'll hold off on these. We're not going to count them just yet. So we're at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The J. Crew Factory statement necklace for 6. The H&M earrings makes 7. Oh, there we go. Eight with the, what was this, Stella and Dot? Yes. 8 with the Stella and Dot bracelet. 9 with the faux jade. 10 with the acrylic, kind of peachy pink and green acrylic earrings. And this bracelet with the Roman numerals. Was that? I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. That's 10. 11 with these beads. These just feel nice. So 11 with the quartz beads. 12. I think I really did lose count in a bad way. 12 with the Kendra Scott bracelet. Because then even if I counted these separately, this would make 13 and 14. So if you counted along, tell me where I messed up. Put it in the comments. I always lose count when I try to count these, but there it is. This was a nice haul, I think. What do you think? What was your favorite piece? And also, if there's anything you're interested in talking about before I get it listed, just contact me and I'll see what we can work out. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.